Hi guys, so today is gonna be a bit different video because I'm gonna be unboxing a GoPro Hero 7. I got this just today. I bought it in Best Buy, and yeah, I'm just so excited with it. The hyper smooth and all the features of the GoPro Hero 7 is very much worth it to upgrade. My previous camera is GoPro Hero 6, and I like the video quality of it too, but the stabilization is not as good as the Hero 7. So yeah, I'm just gonna do unboxing, and I'm gonna run a test video later, and yeah, we'll show you how it goes, how it looks like. Okay, so this is the packaging. I actually tried to open this one earlier, so I already removed the seal on the back, but yeah, this is how it goes. And yeah, let's just pull out the GoPro itself. So this is the packaging. It tells about the features and the highlights of this GoPro Hero 7. Black, and this is the actual GoPro, and what's inside it. This is the sticker that's on the back, or that's covering the screen of the GoPro. I just removed this one earlier, so this is what's inside. When you open the box, there's like a GoPro sticker. There's actually not much difference with the previous GoPros when it comes to the packaging and what comes with it. So it has the sticker, also has the manual, and you can read it. You can read everything on this manual if you want to, but I don't. It's gonna be just a waste of time. You can just watch tutorials on YouTube. There's a sticker. This is what okay, so if you need some help with the GoPro, all those stuff, you can check out gopro.com/answers. And this one is a GoPro card. So this is a damage replacement, backup. Yeah, I'm not really sure what it is, so just keep it there. And what's in here, let's see. So there's like an adhesive mount. This is a helmet mount. You can actually use this as, or if you want to make your GoPro a dash cam too, you can do that with this mounts. This is helmet mounts. So this is also present with the previous GoPros, so nothing much special with it. Of course, a charger, and this is the battery. I already removed the battery, so I already put it inside GoPro. Here, let's remove it from there, the mount there. Let's see, I like the design, how they package this one, a little bit different, but yeah, it's cool. So the GoPro itself, it comes with a skeleton mount, and yeah, I'm going to do a test video in a few minutes, and I'm on my way home. I just got out of the office. It's already 7 p.m. here in St. John, New Brunswick, Canada, and this is a walking test for the GoPro Hero 7. I wasn't able to make a test yesterday because I had to do some other stuff, and I think this would be the best time to do a video test, a walking test for the GoPro Hero 7. So light is just right, it's not too harsh, and yeah, as I said, it's already 7 p.m. here, but there's the light. Usually the sun would set at around 9 or 10 p.m. So yeah, this is the walking test. I'm going to check the stabilization as well. How about my voice? The audio, is it fine? I don't know. I can't really check it while I'm walking right now. I wouldn't be able to check the quality as well until I sit down in my computer and review the footages that I took. So check 1 2 stabilization test. Yeah, all good. My previous GoPro is Hero 6, and just like the other day I decided to upgrade it to Hero 7 because the video stabilization of this one is much more superior compared to the Hero 6. So I've been like reading reviews and watching YouTube videos about the GoPro Hero 7, and I'm pretty much convinced with the stabilization. I think it's a lot more better than the Hero 6. Plus with my Hero 6 I have to use a gimbal to make the video very more stabilized, and with the Hero 7 I no longer need to use that stabilizer, and it's gonna be more handy, more compact. I can just put it inside my pocket, pull it out if I need to take photos or videos, and that's it. How was the stabilization so far? I'm panting because, like, as you can see, this is a bit elevated, so it's a little bit steep to walk. So yeah, GoPro Hero 7 Black. By the way, I bought this in Best Buy for the original price is $530 Canadian dollars, but I was able to negotiate it and have them match the price, the promo price in Amazon. If you will buy the GoPro Hero 7 in Amazon, it's only going to cost you $450. So I went to Best Buy. I showed them that Amazon is doing this promo, and I asked them if they can match the price, and yeah, they were able to do it. So I bought the GoPro Hero 7 on the spot in Best Buy, and I bought it for the price the same with what's in Amazon, so I saved around $100+ for it. And yeah, that's actually a tip if you're in the US or Canada. If you see a gadget that's being sale on Amazon and you really want to get that, or you don't want to wait for the shipping, then go to Best Buy, show the price in Amazon, and they will match it. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black audio test, walking test, video test, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.